Hi, welcome back to the Price Action Analyst YouTube channel. I thought I'd just do a quick update on Bitcoin. I've seen some headlines saying that Bitcoin was going to go down. And I'm just looking at the chart now. And I think Bitcoin is going to move up. The last time I did a video, I think it was around here, and I said, these wicks here were indicative of strength, and prices kind of come back and retested this bottom trend line. So before I get into the details of that, this downward spike, this series of wicks here, and then price proceeding to up here, it's still trending up. And these highs here, you've already had a test of these highs and a resulting sell-off, and price is meandering up to test, and it's probably gonna test, and there's gonna be some selling pressure, but I expect price to kind of push past these previous highs that were about 10,600, 10,500. So I think it's eventually going to push through that. We'll have to wait and see as to whether it just pushes through and retraces, or it pushes through and keeps going. That I can't tell you until we get there. But just looking at what's happening now with this trend line, I see potentially like price. This looks like a failed breakout to me, is what I'm trying to say. So if I come into the hourly chart, so that's your trend line, and it's now zoomed right in. Prices come off hard, it tested that. You've got a little bit of strength, but given that you have all that downward momentum, I would have expected price to come back and retest, which it did. But look at what happened. You got, not only did it retest, it washed this pivot, and you immediately had a wick, retrace, and then strength. And so this here, it's come back inside the trend line, come back outside, and again showing strength. So if price closes above this line, if it pushes up here and closes above, my expectation now is that price is going to come up and test this. It's going to come and test the top of the trend line again. So yes, this was weak. If it had pushed through here or come back up here and push down, sure, price is on the way back down, but that's not what I see now. I see price coming back inside the trend line. Again, it's tried to push out, but if it moves back inside this trend line and closes above that line, like breaks out of there, then I think we're on the way back up to the top there. So just going back to the daily, that wick is also going to be, it's possible that price just punches down there, but this wick now is going to act as support. That's indicative of buying pressure. When price got down there, it was bought back up. So if you get another blue bar, price is going to come up here. It's going to test this trend line, and because you've got these previous highs here, I think when it tests this trend line, it's going to push outside of it. Now, again, it'll either push straight out of it, or it'll stair step its way out, or it'll push, retrace, and push out, or it'll leave a wick and come back inside. But another buying bar, another bullish bar here, and it's going to come up here. So just keep an eye out on that. I guess the point I'm trying to make here is, given this price action now here, I actually see strength, not weakness in the Bitcoin price. So hopefully that's helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and thanks for watching.